So hello everyone, good morning. We have a lovely Clasico here today. We are on Sector A and this is the road. You have off-road parking and just over there, over the main road, you have all the amenities and shops. Okay, so as I've said, you've off-road parking and this is the property. I'm going to bring you in and show you. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol near the Port of Mathron on the Costa.Calida. It's not a very built up or well-known place, but the beaches and everything, they're not built up like Benidorm. It's really beautiful here on the Costa.Calida. Now there are a few steps to this property, as you can see. Just around here, I think I'd probably take that wall out there, not the wall, but the balustrade, and just make the terrace a bit bigger there. You have got a seating area there. You could put some lovely cushions there on that, make a nice seating area. Just here is the underbuild. So we're going to have a look in there. So I'm going to take you around. You've got a lovely garden there with established plants and flowers. There is a staircase at the back of the property up to the rooftop solarium. But we're just going up here for the minute into a conservatory. It is an enclosed terrace. And let's have a look at this property. So I'll see you inside, guys. So guys, we're inside the enclosed terrace now. This used to be the terrace. It has been enclosed. You have insect screens and these patio doors open up wide. Okay. Very decorative wreckers, and you have blackout blinds on the windows as well. Lovely decorative light up here. Really pretty. So let's go inside and see the property itself. So as we look around, you have got ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. Okay, this is quite a large room. I'm going to just pan around for you guys. And this is a Clasico style property we're at. We are on Sector A, as I've said, close to the amenities. So go through the archway here, and we go into the master bedroom. It's quite a substantial sized bedroom. You have ceiling light and fan. You've got your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. You've got switches and lights on either side of the bed. And you've got insect screens, blackout blinds and wreckers throughout this property. Okay, I'm going to take you over to the bathroom now, or the shower room. So it has been converted. You have got a sink and vanity unit here, a WC and a bidet. Bidet is just there. And you've got a shower, somewhere to sit, and your shower just there. Okay, we've also got a frosted glass window there as well. Just by the mirror, you have a shaving socket and switches, and you've got mirror and a small unit. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the guest room, or what would be called the guest room. So in here you have got two single beds. Again, your ceiling light and fan above here, and your wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. Great size bedrooms. So you've got integrated wardrobes and overhead storage there. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll have a look at the kitchen now. So in here you've got top and base units. You've got an electric hob and an electric oven. You've also got your sink and drainer there. And on the other side you got more top and base units with fridge freezer. All right. You've also got a washing machine there. So just out here is your outside terrace. So let's go outside. So I've just come outside onto the outside terrace. You have table and chairs there. You've also got this lovely tiling with beautiful pictures here. And there's another one just here, very Spanish. And just there, you've got a seat. So you can put nice cushions on there with those Andalusian tiles. And that'll make a nice seat out here in the sunshine. Okay, I'm going to take you upstairs. You have storage there. I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium, guys. So I'll see you upstairs in a minute. Now I've just come from downstairs. We're at the top here, the rooftop terrace. You have got storage on either side of the rooftop. And look at the views here, absolutely stunning. All the way around. Got all the shops and amenities over there. And you can see the H in the distance for the hospital. Absolutely beautiful. A sector shops are all over there as well. So that's A sector. And as I pan around and you see those beautiful views, you got B sector just there. And there is a bridge that crosses over, so you can be in either area very quickly. So guys, up here you could put that false grass down. You could put a hot tub up here if you wanted, and some loungers. You have some private sunbathing then. It's on A sector, great location, and we are on capital urbanisation. So if you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@lettoseltobuy.com, and I will leave all the details of the agent in the inbox below, as well as the description of the property. Okay, so until the next time, take care, and I'll see you all again.